morning, everyone. Today we are going to discuss about the computer-aided engineering drawing. In the computer-aided engineering drawing, what you are supposed to learn is the first chapter is to know about the projection of different planes and how you are going to use the different type of drawing sheets. And in the computer, how you are supposed to use the solid edge. So in the drawing, what we do is we are going to communicate what all the ideas you want to transform into the 3D model. So the drawings what all it has been produced, we can extend to different parts of the world. So going with different types of drawings, what we are going to do in the daily life is, so there is a natural drawing, geographical drawing, botanical drawing, zoological drawings, portraits like simple drawings. So here it comes the engineering drawing where you're supposed to deal with. So nature drawings, geographical drawings, botanical drawings, zoological drawings, there what all you draw, it is only shown for the pictorial representation, but you don't have actual size and shape of the object. And also bigger size objects cannot be converted, so it is just the representation of the image what we do. But in the engineering drawing, what we really do is building related drawings we can do, machine component drawings we can do. So under that, the building related drawings is the orthographic drawings what all you do, and the machine component drawing where we do isometric or the perspective drawing which is related to civil engineering and mechanical engineering. So isometric components gives the 3D views of the object, and also perspective view, when you place the object at a certain orientation you will be exactly see what exactly it is going to happen. So when we do go with the orthographic drawing, what we do is it's a technical drawing in its different views of an object are projected in different reference plane, observing perpendicular to the respective reference plane. So the basic principal planes of what we refer in this drawing is horizontal plane, vertical frontal plane, and the profile plane or the side plane which you are going to see. So by taking these three principal planes, we will be able to go with what exactly we want to see the object by placing these three principal planes. So the views what all you are going to obtain in the horizontal, vertical and the profile plane is, you are going to get front view is projected on the vertical plane, top view is projected on the horizontal plane, and the side view is projected on the profile plane. So like this, these three planes are used to show the three different views. So the terms used in the orthographic projections is planes, patterns of planes and patterns of view, methods of drawing orthographic projection. When we go to the basic principal planes, there is horizontal plane and vertical plane, where we are going to see the two different planes are placed at 90-degree orientation. So this is the vertical plane which is in the dark blue color, and the light blue color which is indicated by the horizontal plane. These are the principal planes. And if you take the profile plane, here you are going to place a profile plane either to the left side of left side of the horizontal, not to the right side of the horizontal plane. So these two profile planes to be placed on the other side. So auxiliary inclined plane, auxiliary inclined vertical plane and auxiliary inclined planes can be placed at required orientation. So it has got inclination with respect to VP and HP, so that the auxiliary vertical plane has got inclination with respect to VP. Auxiliary inclined plane, it has got inclination with respect to HP. So if you take auxiliary vertical plane, here it is perpendicular to HP and it is perpendicular inclined to VP. So if you take AIP, it is perpendicular to VP and inclined to HP. So like this, you'll be able to take different planes, but you don't deal with the auxiliary inclined planes, but you are going to deal with the principal planes, that is horizontal plane, vertical plane, and the profile plane for generating the drawings. So the profile plane, what we can observe is there is a plane which is perpendicular to both HP and VP. So it is placed in this way to get the third view of the object. So if you take first angle projection, the first angle projection, what happens is there will be horizontal and vertical plane. In between two entities, the point is placed and the profile plane is placed at the side. So how to solve the problem? Here it is discussed in detail. So the procedure to solve the problem is you are going to HP is rotated at 90° downwards and profile plane at 90° in the right side both direction. This way both the planes are brought in the same plane containing VP. So horizontal plane, that is, has to be rotated by 90° so that it will be made into a 2D entity so that it will be able to get the views. And the profile plane also you have to suppose rotate it by 90° so that all the three basic principal planes will be lying in one single 2D plane. So here it is in the profile plane, it has to be rotated at 90° so that at last front view, top view and the left side view in the profile plane it is available for the given point placed between the three principal planes. So like this, when we draw the center line, which will be the intersection line of three principal planes, that is vertical plane, horizontal plane and the profile plane. So this line it is indicated by dark XY line so that it is going to meet three planes. So this is the actual way of representing the drawing in the first angle projection method. You are going to get front view above XY line, top view below XY line, left side view in the profile plane. You will be able to get the three views. So actually the method of orthographic projection, it is done in two angle projection methods. One is the first angle and the third angle projection method. So in the first quadrant, front view will be above XY line and top view will be below XY line. And in the third quadrant, top view will be above XY line and front view will be below XY line. So like this, the first and third angle projections here we are going to show in the symbolic representation. So the first angle projection method, here you can see this is the pattern of viewing the front and top view. So here the object is placed, so the observer will be in front of the object. So top view, on top view you have to be above the object. So for the side view you have to place in the side view. So when you want the projection, the lines, the projection rays will be going and hitting in the plane so that you'll be able to get the front view on the vertical plane. So same line if you extend to the other object on the HP, it will be top view. So the same lines, if it is extended to other plane, you'll be able to get the another view, that is the side view on the profile plane. So here when we place the three principal planes, like this you'll be able to get the corresponding views. So you want to give the notations with respect to point. Its top view means it will be a small letter A. If it is front view, it is A dash. If it is side view, it is A double dash. If you take a line, then it is top view will be AB, and its front view is A dash, B dash, and its side view is A dash, A double dash, B double dash. Like this, you are supposed to follow the notation.